So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get points on McDonald's app. So the first thing you want to do is download the app. After that you will see the McDonald's logo, so just open it up. On there you can see home, my M, food, restaurant and more. Now once you're on the home page you can see some family weekends at McDonald's, some other my M style and stuff like that, some offers. You will also see the QR code on here. So if I open it up, you can see the QR code on there, and you can see underneath it the code which you need to put in once you're ordering in a drive-through, so when no one can actually scan your phone. And you can order in store by scanning this code at the front counter. So some cashier will take a scanner and put it to this code, and from there you can earn reward points in the McDonald's app. After that, you can spend the points on offers like these ones. So you can see movie deals, you can see under my M the rewards. So for 1500 points you can get 2 tote bags, you can get socks, you can see some other features that you can receive, and you can find some offers on there as well. And your points will be shown under here on the My M page, or you can just go to the home page and find the points in the top right corner as well. So that's about it. That's how you earn points in McDonald's. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's app or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.